guys, welcome to Bonsai Crazy. This is part 2 of my Suchinti landscape pot making. I've done a few extra things on top of what I showed you last time, so I'll go over that in a minute and I'll show you what I've done there, and then I'll briefly show you the process of what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to get on with it, and it'll be sort of a mix-up video today, not a whole video, but a video where you can just follow enough and it'll be short enough for you to watch. So hang about, it's not going to be a long video. I just want to give a shout out to Matt from Bobcat Bonsai. I hope you're doing all right, mate. We haven't seen any videos from you. I know I've checked in on you by email, but it'd be nice to see some videos from you, mate. And likewise, Candice from Bonsai Science. We haven't seen you either, girl. I'm hoping you're all right as well. And likewise, Gail from GG Evergreen Bonsai. You know, missing you as well. But there's a new man on the block, and there's a new bonsai channel out, and I just want to give him a shout out. It looks like he's gonna have a lot of good information and wise words about bonsai. I think he's got some nice trees by the look of it, and that's Ray from Ray's Bonsai, and I'll leave a link in the channel in my description box for Ray's his new bonsai channel, so go and have a look. It looks quite good, to be honest. So that being said, we're going to get on with making this, and I'll just show you. I'll do a recap for you, and so you can recap now, and I'll show you what we've done and what you've missed out on. I'll show you that as well, and then I'll speed through the process of making this. Right guys, so hopefully you can see this all right. This bit here is just a bit of chicken wire. I folded it over 3 times and I've bent it round to make this piece here, and I've tied it on to the frame, and I've also put some more sticks up here, some more bamboo sticks, tied it to the frame and made this sort of a bend or a curve here. Now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this long piece here and another piece here. So I'll show you the process, and I'll try and talk you through it or walk you through it. Basically, so now I've got a piece of chicken wire, nice and long. I'm just going to come underneath it with the wire, and I'm going to come round and I'm going to tie this up together and tie this around this frame. So I'm not going to bore you with you watching me do it. I'm just going to get on with it, okay? And I'll speed through it.
I just bought a new whip, spent a couple thousand just to cruise it. Shawty said she love me, but I swear she'll never prove it. I never tell her, but I put it in the music. Well, that's okay. All I wanna do is make the best of my whole day. Thank the Lord up above, get the cream on the side, make you laugh to no end. That's the stuff that I love, la la da da da. We can be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. It's like the story of my life. Best friends, but we rocking all the same things. Say you need me, but you really tryna change lanes. Well, I don't even care. Live my life, I don't battle with no fear. Fighting dragons, always been a real one. Hate you saying showing love, you a real chameleon. Get the facts freaking straight, always on repeat. Like, we could be friends if you wanna. We could just talk if you wanna. We could hold hands if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do. We could just laugh if you wanna. Late nights under stars if you wanna. We could just kiss if you wanna. Hey, tell me what you wanna do.
So right, there we go guys, that's half the frame done. I've got a bit more to do up here and around there, and I'm not going to bore you with that. I'll just come back to you on the next video when that bit's complete. So it'll all be framed up, and I'll show you that next time. I also really want to give a shout out to Alex. Now, he hasn't got a YouTube channel. Everyone knows who I'm on about. Alex and Matt Brennan. Missing you guys. Hope you're all right, Alex. Hope you're all right, Matt. And yeah, I just hope you're both okay. So thumbs up, and please like and subscribe and follow this creation. This is going to be a very unusual creation. I might even get some help with a tree on this one. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Cheers. Ta-da.